Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the euro dollar, at this point, I'm thinking that we're probably more likely going to go down to the 50 or maybe even the 61.8. Maybe end up looking something like that before we actually do make that bigger push to the upside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. So I think we're definitely looking at that double three pattern. We got one, two, three waves down. We're looking at one, two, three waves up. Now we're likely either making three waves down, which I think is less likely, or we're making five waves down, which I think at this point is more likely that this is a 335 pattern and that it will likely go to either the 50 or the 61% Fibonacci retracement. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think that this is a wave 3, but it definitely could be a wave C. If it really is a 333 pattern on the higher time frames, then it could be like a big ABC and then go up and make an ABC and then back down to make another ABC for like a WXY. But we'll have to see. At this point, the trend is definitely still down, and we should, for sure, still be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we still have not broken any structure on the 4 hour time frame. We have made a lot of significant higher lows, and a lot of the other dollar pairs have broken structure. So it does kind of seem likely like this may try to go up and break structure. But for me personally, the trend is down, and I only trade with the trend, which means I'll be looking to go short here, short there, short here, short until I get a reason to stop looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, the trend is down on literally every single time frame. So basically, we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. It's been very sideways, very corrective, and a lot of the other dollar pairs have broken structure to the upside, but this one hasn't. So for me personally, I'm still looking for Fibonacci bounces, and I'm still looking for shorts. There has been a couple pretty good shorts. There was a pretty nice one yesterday. Last week on Friday, there was a nice little trend trade to the short side. And last night in the Asian session, there was a really nice little entry to go short. So definitely still looking for shorts. As long as it does not go up and break structure, I'm watching my Fibonacci levels very closely for sorting opportunities. And really, since the trend is down, this thing could easily just keep on going down. So definitely still bearish until the market tells me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.